Elevate your social gatherings with the Random Truth or Dare generator by MiniWebTool. This tool eliminates awkward silences and decision fatigue, offering fair, fun, and unpredictable gameplay for sleepovers, parties, and team building. We solve the writer's block of party games. Traditional Truth or Dare stalls when ideas run out, but this tool provides endless content instantly. Enjoy instant playability with no registration, deep content with over 120 built-in questions, and universal access on any device. The game goes from setup to suspense in 5 simple steps. Select the category, choose the intensity, add custom questions if desired, click Generate, and then play by answering or acting. This generator is engineered for true unpredictability. Unlike simple loop scripts, it uses server-side selection powered by Python's random module. True randomness means independent selection every time, ensuring no patterns, no bias, and 100% fair play. You can calibrate the vibe to your audience. The tool adapts to the comfort level of the room with 3 intensity settings: mild for family-friendly fun, medium for friends-only social gatherings, and spicy for adults only. Level 1. Mild is family-friendly, perfect for wholesome fun and connecting. The focus is on harmless challenges, favorites, and funny memories, ensuring appropriateness for all ages in mixed company. Level 2. Medium is for friends only, ideal for casual gatherings and close friend groups. Content focuses on embarrassing moments, secrets, and challenges that push comfort zones without crossing lines, offering a more personal and revealing vibe. Level 3. Spicy is adults only, designed for bold fun and pushing boundaries. This level is for mature audiences 18+, and features provocative truths and adventurous dares, creating a bold, daring vibe. Infuse your own personality with unlimited custom input. Users can add their own text to the question pool to mix in inside jokes and shared experiences. Custom questions are privacy-focused and never stored on our servers. The generator is designed for digital suspense, mimicking the excitement of physical gameplay. Features include a spinning wheel, a card flip animation, and immersive, toggleable audio. The generator offers versatility across social scenarios, including birthday parties, sleepovers, team building, date nights for couples, and virtual hangouts that work seamlessly over video calls. Remember the etiquette of gameplay, consensus on the intensity, establishing a quote pass rule with a safe word, deciding on consequences for refusing a turn, and maintaining respect to keep the atmosphere fun. Here are optimization strategies for hosts. Rotate control by having different players press Generate to share the power. Use hybrid mode to mix custom and built-in questions. For full immersion, enable sound effects and project the screen to a TV. To answer common inquiries, yes, it is safe for children, but only on the mild setting. Yes, it is truly random, thanks to the server-side Python engine. And no, you do not need an account. No sign-up is required. Enjoy instant access to endless entertainment. Start playing today. You can also embed the widget on your site or support us with Premium for ad-free speed. It's 0 setup time, 100% fun.